One day, Lisa and her friends decide that they want to go out and exercise. They haven't gone anywhere yet, and no time has passed, so the slope of their day so far is at 0, because m equals rise over run, and 0 over 0 is 0, still equals to 0. Next, they decide they are going to start their run, and they run 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. Lisa decides she wants to figure out what this point in their day would look like in y equals mx plus b form. There's a video also for this.
To put the graph into y equals mx plus b form, the first step would be to find the slope. The equation for slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You plug in the numbers for this one, it would be 1 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 0 equals 1/5. So m equals 1/5. Now you plug this into point slope form, so it would be y, usually it's y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So to plug these in with these numbers, you do y minus 1 equals 1/5 x minus 5. So first step would be to distribute the 1/5 to both numbers. So y minus 1 equals 1/5 x minus 1, because 1/5 times negative 5 over 1 is equal to negative 5 over 5, which equals 1. So next step would be to isolate the y, which you do by adding 1. So plus 1 to both sides, and you get y equals 1/5 x plus 0, because the two 1's cancel each other out. And that is standard. That is it in standard form. No, that's in the y equals mx plus b form. Thank you.
The next thing that they do is they decide to run back to the house, and since they so that on a graph they have gone 0 distance in 10 minutes since they're at the same starting position. Lisa decides that she wants to figure out what her slope is. So this is how you do the slope. It's m equals rise over run, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that's equal to negative 1/5, which would end up being their slope. They then decide to run more this time. So they run 2 kilometers for 20 minutes and want to figure out what their speed is. So here is a video on their speed.
If Lisa and her friends want to figure out how fast they're going, the equation would be distance divided by time. In their case, the distance that they have gone is 2 miles, and the time that they have been running has been 10 minutes, even though overall it's been 20 minutes. The time that they just want to figure out the time that the speed they're running for the 2 miles though. So that would be 2 divided by 20 is equal to 0.2, which means that they are running 0.2 kilometers a minute.
They now decide, Lisa and her friends decide that they want to take a break now and eat lunch. They have to stop. They decided to stop for 10 minutes and want to figure out what their slope is. They knew that m equals y2 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. With their numbers, that's equal to m equals 30 minus 20 divided by 2 minus 2. So the slope is 10 over 0, which means 10 units to the right, but 0 units up. Finally, they decide to go back home to which is their starting position, and they want to figure out how long it will take them. They know that they've gone 2 kilometers, and before they ran pace of 0.2 kilometers a minute. So they know what they have to do is they do 0.2. They know that time equals distance divided by speed, so time is equal to 2 kilometers divided by 0.2 kilometers a minute. This shows that time is equal to 10 minutes. Thank you.